Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Jahdai, that we have.
I'm Ant. What's going on, guys?
Ant's here. It's lit.
I'm a little nervous.
I'm a little nervous. Anywho, today we're going to be reacting to a chopstick using video. Don't really know what we're about to react to.
I think I'm pretty decent with my chopstick skills.
Me too. I think
we'll
I'm pretty solid. So we'll see what they got for us. So let's get into it.
Are we ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
Hey, let me know whenever you want to pause it, my
Let's
guy.
go.
Get into it.
The Japanese tradition.
I don't like that though.
箸、刺す、挟む、切る、
Oh, it's way too
混ぜ
fast.
る、
Oh.
そんな便利な食器、箸です。日本での食事には必ず箸が使われます。
Stabbed right into it.
このまっすぐな棒が箸です。片方の手で2本使います。素材は様々です。
I'm correct.
伝統的な竹製、鮮やかなプラスチック製、動物の骨でできた高級なものがありま
Animal?
す。
I would love to use those.
中でも割り箸と呼ばれる木製の箸はほとんどの飲食店でサービスされます。使うときに割ります。基本の割り方。1、細い方を下にして垂直に上から5分の3の部分を両手で持ちます。2、指先に力を入れ左右に引きます。左右均等に力を入れましょう。どちらかに力が偏るとまっすぐ
I'm
に
not
な
using
る。
the correct amount of pressure. Maybe that's why I keep breaking.
Bro, me too. I'm out here just snapping one. I'm sorry, because I've been breaking mine every time. Oh my god.
注意。
Oh shoot.
割り箸を割るときは必ず脇を締めましょう。脇が開いていると肘が当たって思わぬ事故になる場合があります。
Can you imagine?
上手に割れましたか？はじめは誰でも初心者です。
I've done that one
諦
time.
めずに
Yeah,
頑張りましょ
yeah.
う。
Well, that's me. I'm like a polar
上
puller.
級編。仕事人、
Hey, they
I need to
broke
be
though.
like that.
They broke though.
お釜割り、
Huh? Wait, huh?
空手、ダイナマイト、共割り、It's a small world。
What?
持ち方。これはレギュラーという持ち方です。慣れれば簡単ですが、片手で持つのが難しい方は、ナイフとフォークのように両手で使っても構いません。国際スタイル。男性らしさをアピールしたいならこれ。男持ち。日本らしさを楽しむ富士山。
What?
贅沢な気分を味わいたいなら割らずに二膳で大名。躍動感あふれるフェニックス。
I don't know what
Ginga.
that is. All right. All right. Okay.
思いやり。
Okay. Huh?
初恋。
Wait, did that
No,
really...
no, no, no.
Sir.
Was that CGI?
いか
I
が
think that
で
was
した
CGI.
か？
I think that was. I'm quite positive that was CGI. That'd be crazy if it wasn't. When you first started using chopsticks, do you know how to hold them at first, or like were you struggling? How long did it take you to learn how to use chopsticks?
Well, I've got a Korean background, so I've been using chopsticks a little bit since I was young. So I'm not completely proficient with them.
Yeah.
And after a while, like my hand cramped. It wasn't like I was an adult, and then I just came to Japan and started using them. So I was pretty familiar.
Oh man, I think I was in like high school when I really started using chopsticks, and I was terrible. The cramp that got right between the pinky, I was like, ah. Like, yeah, it's hard.
日本人には箸使いの上手な欧米人に好感を持つ傾向があります。上手に使いこなして
I don't know about
日
that.
本人を驚かせてあげましょう。
Oh, that was it. Wow, that was fast.
So what's your favorite chopstick style?
I think I'm with the dynamite one.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Cause I don't know about the karate one. I think I'll get a splinter. I've definitely got a splinter
I've
plenty of
definitely- yeah,
times.
I've
I'm
got
like,
you.
ow. Definitely the dynamite. That was cool. Or the It's a Small World. That was pretty tight.
Mine was the Shigoto Nin, the one with the mouth. It was smooth.
I think I'm gonna actually. Do
Yeah. I want to go on a date and just.
仕事人、
She's gonna be like, damn it. She's gonna really call you out on that and be like, what are you doing? Get out of here. I like the CGI one. I wish that was real.
The CGI, I think for me, the Phoenix, because I think that was real.
Yeah, that was
maybe it
real.
looked
Yeah,
real.
that was really crazy.
I don't know where they came up with these ideas.
I don't know why they made
That
that
was
video.
that was
to be honest.
that was hilarious. That was dope.
That was hilarious.
Yeah.
For you people, are you guys good at using chopsticks? Even because I know there's some Japanese people that aren't good.
Yeah, I've seen that too.
Yeah.
So definitely let us know if you're
don't.
good.
Well, there's a Korean way of holding chopsticks, I think. There's a Chinese way, and then there's like a Japanese way, I think. People hold chopsticks differently in different countries.
Yeah.
How do you hold your chopsticks?
We don't have chopsticks. I wish we.
I wish we did.
could've
I'd
shown
be
you guys how we
using
do
them.
it maybe next time.
Well, that was the video on chopstick using. Like I said, write it down in the comments. What do you do? Leave a like, a comment, subscribe.
Smash that subscribe button.
Smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Introduce yourself now.
The videographer? No, I had a good session. Hi. What's your name?
Yeah, actually, where's Martha?
Are you guys?